This is about how to make a curvy solid wood bench. First of all, we have to make for any size of rectangle. We have to push it up approximately with thickness. Then we can make group. Sorry, we have to push it up again. Okay, press. Then we have to use the tape measure tool. Start from here until the height of the bench, maybe it's around 450 millimeter. Then we can make start from here or with any position, and then we can click from here with the dimension around 2.4 meter. Okay, and then we can set the distance for every single curve. Over there we can set the distance for every single curve, and it's depend on us about how curved it is. Okay, so we can use the curvy, use the 2 point arc. Then we can start click from here until this position, and then we can click this little bit. Then we can click this little bit. Okay, then we can click from this just a little bit. Then we can click this from this. Okay, and then we can click this from this point, and also we can click from this position until this position. I'm sorry, with the 2 point arc, and then click from this position until this position. Or okay, okay, we can get about it. Then we can again click this 2 point arc, and then click from this position until this position. Okay, so we have three sheet of solid wood bench. This is the outline. Then we can triple click to select all this curvy outline first. Then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 100 millimeter because this is about the solid wood bench. Then we can make the close line, close polyline. Click from this point until this point, then we can close this point. And for the right side also, we can click the pen, click this point until this point. Then we can click the plane and we can push it until the front. We can push it to the front around 650 millimeter. Okay, this is about the solid wood bench. Then we can make the some variation. We can make the some variation with click the surface. Then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 10 millimeter. Then we can um, push it a little bit to the back around 7 millimeter. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And also we can assign with the wood material. Okay, this is about the curvy wood bench. It has a three seat of outdoor, and then we can make some variation about the line. We can select the landscape material. We can select the landscape material approximately about this, or it about grass, or maybe it's just a combination. It's just a combination between the grass and some gravel over there, and we can triple click my group, and then we can click line. Start from here. Okay, okay, we can continue, and we close the polyline. Then we can assign the grass, and then we can assign with another material of it. Okay, I mean it was complete. Okay, so you can try by yourself to exercise yourself to make the variation of furniture or building on your own device. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Have a good day.